Hello, everybody. Our first card is Archangel Michael. He says, we have released the past. We must surrender now to a higher energy. And in the next few months, you will see there's balance in your life. Yes, things don't always go our way, but we have lots to be grateful for, and we must carry on rekindling our relationships with ourselves and everyone around us. We're using our resources wisely, and we've learned from the past, so there is improvement. In the past, we asked our angels for guidance, and they're helping us nurture ourselves on our new path to freedom. We have had success following our passions, and we've been given the strength and the vitality and the knowledge and wisdom to overcome obstacles. But please, people, don't forget to take time out. There is no rushing in this at this time. Um, we must embrace the in between, because there is good news coming. Although we're hearing a whole lot of things on the news that uh, talk about it, whatever, but let it go and embrace your in betweens, the fun and the happiness in your own life. No, we're not ready yet. We still have to think on our feet, and this will help us overcome problems that are up ahead. Um, uh, but celebrate your own life. Celebrate how far you've come, so that you can discern the things, the lies and deceit that they are telling us, all from all sides. Um, there's a peaceful resolution coming our way. Just watch and wait. We've been in the cold for a very long time, and our dreams are becoming a reality now. It's not the right time for what do they say? Oh, it's not the right time, but you will know exactly what to do when it is, and use your mind wisely. Make good choices for yourself and your family. Keep yourself uplifted and in good faith. This is going to bring you happiness.